Hey YouTube, today I'm installing a TCL 75-inch, model number 75 Q77K. I'm going to be using the ONN 50-inch by 86-inch full motion mount. Right now I'm grabbing the brackets for the back of the TV and the screws. Okay, so I'm going to the back of the TV in a few seconds here, looking at the screws that come with the full motion mount. On the back of this particular TV, they already have the screws pre-screwed in, so all you got to do is take them apart and attach the bracket. So I'm starting out doing the first side, loosening the screws. So there's 2 screws for every bracket. So I got the first bracket on. I'm going to move the TV over and attach the second bracket. I don't need the screws, so I just tossed them back in the box. Taking the screws out of the back of the TV so I can put on the second bracket. So now I have the second bracket secure to the back of the TV. Now I'm measuring the distance from the hook, the top of the bracket, where the TV is going to connect onto the bracket, the full motion mount, to the top of the TV. And this is going to be important because I've already asked the customer where they want the TV, where they want the top of the TV, so that's why I do that measurement. So now I'm going to do a couple more markings. I'm going to mark the stud. I'm using my stud finder. Making a mark so I know where the stud is. Whenever possible, you want to attach the mount to 2 studs whenever possible. So I'm marking it out so I see where the stud lines are. Double checking the measurement for the top of the TV. Taking my motion mount, I'm going to make my marks where the stud matches up with the mount. Double checking to make sure that I'm center on the wall. Making a little mark so I know where the center of the wall is. So when I put my mount up and mount it, that it's center. Once I got it centered out, then I make my marks so I know where I'm going to be putting the screws in the wall and the studs. Taking one of the screws just to give me a guide. On this one, I want to be a little extra careful, so I'm taking out a drill bit and drilling a small hole to make sure that I hit the stud. Usually I do that when the area I'm mounting is close to a bathroom or something like that. I just like to make sure that I take a really small drill hole where I can just go through just a little bit. So I'm taking the 4 screws that come in with the box, with the mount, attach the mount to the wall. Taking one of the screws, just going to pre-drill a hole real quick. And this just helps me so I can line the mount up to my marks on the wall. I like these mounts because they already have the level on attached to the mount, so it does make it easier to make sure that it's level. Just putting in the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th screws before I put the screw covers on. Okay, now all 4 screws are in. I'm going to put the screw covers on the mount. Test the mount out, make sure it's stable. And now it's time to attach the TV to the mount. Customer asked some questions, so I answered a few questions. They wanted to know how it connected and everything. explained it to them. They wanted to help out, so I had them help out. So now that I have the TV on the mount, I'm just making my adjustments. They have 2 screws that lock in the TV to the mount. So I'm putting in the 2 screws that come with the box, locking everything in, making sure the TV is secure. Just centering the cord, the power cord for the customer, because the customer doesn't want me to raise the plug or to put the plug behind the cables behind the wall. So I'm just centering it. And so what I do is I do that, finish making my adjustments, and then usually I'll just give them a cord cover to cover the cord. Right now I'm just centering the TV, making sure it's centered with the wall, making sure it's flat like a picture. Now I'm just double checking, making sure it's level. Okay, just plugging everything in, making sure everything works. And because this is a business, I always want to make sure to take pictures of the work that I've done. So I'm taking pictures of the mount that I mounted, and also a picture of the TV that I mounted to the wall. It's always good if you're doing this as a business to have plenty of pictures of your work. And so there it is, about 15 minutes worth of work. The customer's happy.